Good vibes all the time. Up in the hills, the Bella vibes. You don't know, say we drinking some rum and sometimes we drink red stripe. You know, say me day go on easy, they go and relax because me go and Bella vibe because tomorrow morning me have a mission, so me they will a chant right now when they talk about the hill vibes because you see the hill vibes is a nice vibes. You just want to know see you have everything in the hills and you got in a peace of mind. Sometimes you don't know, say the energy down in Babylon don't right. So you see when me up in the hills, this is how we chilling. See there? Chilling and holding a meditation, looking in the city, looking on the boat, sailing, and just watching the lifestyle. You can see that lovely bird just passing my video. All my viewers right now watching in the hills. Ras fras, you don't know, I me run the kitchen. And me cook one dumpling and it tasty. You know, say we love KC and we love tasty. Big up yourself in the hills and you don't know, say it's a nice, love the vibes. So you see the vibes here, me have to stop the video and check it out because me just see a natural bird just fly past.
So first, how we the plan for this morning, so?
Some productive move, you know. See what the righteous spirit what we fi do.
Yeah.
That means say at the end of the day we have a peace of mind.
A peace of mind.
Yeah.
For real, man. For real.
Go hold the style.
So what that the for, you know?
Like me I line up the work because you know we have to stay clean, you know, bro. Because they got work on them have business and they clean people here that we yard now clean.
Okay.
So we line up the work for the liquor or ferry place, you know? Good vibes.
Good vibes. Yeah.
See them, bro.
Yeah, man. What is that? The pickaxe?
Pickaxe and the fittings.
Okay, yeah, man. Yeah. Now, let's chew in at the back, yeah? You good?
I mean, but you don't know some other people they have problem, but for them problem and a free problem, we hear something out power problem.
Power problem.
So we all have a
problem. Yeah.
That they tell them.
True.
You know why you bought them? We just want to know you get the products.
See.
So we're here to buy some stuff from Discount Lumbers and Hardware.
Yeah.
And we want to go in the truck and go home with a productive day.
Yeah.
So we are on a mission.
We are on a mission, yeah? Thank you.
And down the road. And we're not in that right now. So you see down there, so down there the matter about, but the boss need more energy.
More energy.
Because the 4 hour we cannot do it.
Yeah.
You got burn with too much.
Yeah, so
alright, sir.
then time we go, you know, any man we talk, you know, so you know, no joking thing, you come with the work and with the go home. I tell you, collect your go.
Yeah, so look at now, we not talk about no way down material board there again, you know.
Material.
No,
Yeah.
that done with me. That done with me.
Robot you.
Yeah, man.
That done with me.
Robot you.
I don't listen to the material board.
The only thing we are middle look more manual power.
Power.
Could you get that, mama? Sure. Rocky, you know,
We want.
nice cup of coconut, vanilla, tea. For some more this year for wash, can put the coconut in it. You know tea? While looking nice.
Okay.
And 3 sour something. So be naturally to where the like this. Yeah, the better. Naturally to them. I said me all love your body. Yeah.
Come on, have one. you know, man. Face up it, blood clean. And you know, more come material up.
What happened to it already? So start trust.
The car material. So come in not sure if you come in and dump it, you can. You know, you didn't come up here, man. You know, the battery come up. What do you mean?
Move forward. Yeah. Ease up your 5 concrete blocks. Me even want the crate bad man. I'm not feeling anything in this. Up on the flat and here, please. Oh, come on, son. For a few rest, come on, you. What up, come over to the corner. Come. Go on, I front time. Ah, your brother come. Daddy, come in at this. Boss, just draw our meditation. Come in at this. Come in at this, boss. Just draw our next meditation. You know? In meantime, we still building our vibes. We still continue on the job. Cause you know me no run joke. Cause I don't want my brother to be skeptical of we in anything that we are doing. So look, you know, you sit down there, so we never do anything when you say and fill it up some more. You see us, so even if I have to go for the work and take off any browning thing, and we just break up the stone. Because you see, for the rest of the day while we're here, even if we're building a vibe, you see when the sun gone down, so and you see the moon they come up. More thing have a piece of her. Because you see, once him have a piece of mind, we have our gun top. Go through blocks. But in the meantime, I'm working. But in the working, looking at my brother here, looking at me want to feel happy. But I'm still working. I mean, love work. Alright. Black, you know where the concrete they go, gas? Black, you know where the concrete they go, gas? Oh. Alright. I know one thing when they bother you, because you're the main man run my brother right now. I mean, after you, otherwise you go for somebody who you know. What can mix in concrete to come finish the road. Yeah, my brother, main man. The finger shovel like thy kingdom come. You know, chatty. Otherwise, if you know somebody is single king too, call him up. Let's see how you shot up with you. One time. Out of bucket, you come up there, you have to go drink one drink. Rest me, guys, rest me. Good vibes?
Good vibes.
You go and go and give one daughter. Come here, say, watch me, brother. My brother afraid that you can't mind. Me not married, you know. If me ever worry, they afraid for you. Hey, you make me tell you, because me they tell you how me love brownie like Lee. My brother married, me not married. If me ever worry precious, I tell you get that, call me man is get trained. You say, me no want you want me say, me they tell him one, me they say. Because you want, hey, hey, come here, precious, come check me, look at it. I'm not chuck again, I roll. Walk, come check me, baby. Oh, if never run that, the brown body be a chat, I you want you, you go to gym. Me dey a gym, too. You know, see me the work out. Me the work out power road. Look how me thief, you think I ain't alone thief, too. Hey, you think I ain't alone thief? Look at me chest precious, look at. You afraid pie and body, me got body to look at. Cause you get sexy, time I got gym for 5 o'clock. Look for me to come in and walk on the big road. I see for me gym up at 10 o'clock. Oh. Me no want hear what nobody want.